Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and you can also share this video to other people who may find it useful. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon at the bottom, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy. And if you scroll down, you should see Who can see your content, and then Account Privacy. So select that. And this will just let you know when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and the following lists. So all you need to do is toggle that on, and it'll just let you know, switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, and no one can reuse your content. So if you're happy with that, just select switch to private, and that will be done for you. And I'll also give you an additional option of allow profile picture expansion, so you can turn that on or off if you wish to do so. So that's how you can make your Instagram account private. Thanks for watching.